Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about one more topic on my video on my channel, that is about the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is essential to score or to know the concept about its all graphical user face interface, as you can see in the daily to day life, or its uses you can see in simple words. Now let's see what is this bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is a crystalline substance which we get from the mixture of calcium hydroxide. When is added to the chlorine gas, we will get CaOCl2. Now what is this CaOCl2? CaOCl2 is nothing but the formula of bleaching powder. Its scientific chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Yes, it is also called calcium oxychloride, or in other words you can say the lime of chloride. Now let's take a day breath and to look more about its bleaching powder and its uses. Now when you take the bleaching powder in the hand, you will feel that it is somewhat slippery. Yes, it's slippery in nature, and you can see it is very powdery and it is soluble in water. This is why it makes the bleaching powder more effective in use in various fields. Now the main concept of this video is going to take you a deep journey about the bleaching powder and its uses. Now let's go to the first use for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry. Now what's the use of the bleaching powder in the textile industries or any factories? Now let's see. For bleaching wood pulp in factories and for bleaching washed cloths. Now as you see, you can hear a cotton textile. What is the use? It is used to bleach or to make soften the what? That's the cotton. Bleaching powder helps to soften the cotton that is used for making the dye, which is sent to the another company. Now in this textile, the bleaching powder plays a crucial role. What's the crucial role? It softens the cotton and makes perfect for the laundry purpose. Now, here's the cotton. As we know, it's a very important mineral. It must be a cleaned. That's why bleaching powder also helps in this format. Now, next, for bleaching wool pulp in water. As you know that paper is a very common substance or a very common chemical compound of a polymer which is important in our day-to-day life. It is obtained from the wood pulp. The pulp is extracted from the bark of the pulp which is extracted. It is sent to the factories or for the purpose of the what chemical industries. They take out the pulp or they extract the pulp such that they can bleach that pulp into the papers, and they can make a softened and whitened paper, and the paper would be a soft by use of the bleaching powder. And next, for the bleaching powder can be also used for the washing clothes as the washing soda, as I explained you in the previous video. Bleaching powder is can be also used for the washing purpose or for the washing clothes in your laundry or at your home. Bleaching powder in your chemical substances such as various chemical substances include the bleaching powder as a major component. You understand? Let's go to next. As an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. What's the role? Bleaching powder is used to extract many other polymers or other chemicals, such as the best example is chloroform. Chloroform is used in the medical or the pharmaceutical fields, which is a very important carbon compound. This what is the role of chloroform? It makes the unconscious and helps the doctor to operate something. Now, in chemical industries, as you can see, the chemical industries have a large purpose of the bleaching powder, such that every chemical and the utensils for the chemicals made of vessels can be cleaned by using the bleaching powder. Now, let's see the next. To make drinking water free from germs, as you can see from them, the world is created by salty water, but only 2% or nearly 1% of water is drinkable. So from that, in swimming pools also there are added some bleaching powder or the chlorine tablets including, such that they can kill germs or to kill the bacteria inside them. Now last use, it is used in laundries. As you can see in laundries, you can see the washing machines for the bleaching powder. As you can see, the cotton clothes are must need to be bleached for the decoding the absorbed material, the microorganisms that are extracted by the bleacher. Okay friends, thank you. I hope you understand about the whole concept of the bleaching powder. I hope you will make it very easy and very simple learning through this. Okay friends, thank you. I will meet you soon in my next video.